If you are using Promap and you have a question about either the functionality on the application or the products that Promap offers, you can contact a member of our award-winning customer service team using our web chat facility. The icon for this facility is located in the bottom left-hand corner of the Promap screen. Simply click on the icon, enter your name, your email address, and your Promap user ID before clicking on the Chat Now option. You will then automatically be connected through to a member of our customer service team, and you will get straight through to a person. We do not operate any chatbots within this facility. The average response time is 10 seconds from accessing the web chat service to speaking to an advisor who will then be able to support you with whatever your query is.